This video tutorial explains how to take photos of your work to be ready for the Padlet wall. Remember to have your work completed, signed, and dated before photographed. Natural light is your best option for lighting. If you have a room with lots of windows, take advantage of the natural light. But if not, any good lighting will do for our class presentation. Just do not photograph your work in the dark. Find a wall or any place where you can prop up your artwork so it stands almost perfectly upright. And I would suggest using a tripod with your digital camera or phone to make sure that you are taking perfectly steady shots. If you do not have tripod, a box, small table, or any furniture, that would work fine. Just make sure to steady your phone or camera on something to keep it from shaking. If the surface of your painting or drawing is leaning against the wall, remember to tilt your camera angle to match the angle of the work as well. This will help minimize distortions of the original image. Some of you might have trouble with the photographed image looking slightly bubbly, with each side kind of bulging outward. This could be an issue with the camera lens, but the solution is to use the zoom on your camera and then move back a step or two away from your work. This will adjust the depth field and keep the edges from ballooning unnaturally in the photo. Then you may also want to crop your image using the camera editing tools, so you remove the background, especially those clutters in the background that might distract your work. This is my iPhone screenshot. Select the crop tool from the toolbar and position the viewfinder so that all four edges of your work are aligned parallel to the rectangular viewfinder of the camera. So your work is properly represented in the class Padlet walls or for your future portfolios.